Hi guys, at this time is May 2 and my sister Bem Bem from Canada is magpapa-advance sa Mother's Day sa amin, lalo kay mama. Magpapatreat siya, advance daw niya guys. Kaya ito, nagagaya kami kasi lalabas ko kami guys. See you there, bye. Hi Audrey, say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. At ngayon guys, puntahan ko sa mama. I-check natin siya kung ano lang ginagawa. Kasi, Mama! Nakalakas Mama Dili at aalis na daw kami. Maglalans kami sa Albinos. Madili, saan ka na? Ma! Naliligo pa yata guys si Mama Dili. Ayan. Selfie-selfie muna kami ng aking kiddos. Si Audrey. Kasi di pa yata nakagaya si Mama Dili. Naliligo pa lang siya guys. Dito kami sa Albinos, maglalunch.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. See you.
Treat.